Monter à beurre, the French term meaning to mount the sauce, is to lift the sauce, if you like, at the end. We whisk in a few little knobs of butter and it just gives the sauce a nice sheen, nice gloss, and it emulsifies any fats or anything that's left sitting on the top and gives it a nice texture. You could argue that it thickens it slightly at the end. It doesn't thicken it a lot. I certainly wouldn't replace slaking or thickening with some corn flour for texture, but it just helps to emulsify everything together nicely and give it a nice shine, gloss. And let's just add some seasoning and it's ready to go. Mounting a sauce is always done last minute, just before you serve it. Once the sauce boils again, the risk is that the butter will separate out.